Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Empire, to my returning subscribers. And if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome as well. Bienvenue. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install this pre-made braid. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just go ahead and subscribe so that you become a part of this family. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to me, subscribe to this video, and turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you'll be instantly notified. So guys, these pre-made braids were actually made by me. So if you want to see how I achieved this braid, I will be leaving the link to the video in the description box, so go check. So this is the final look right here. This is what the wig look like. So I'm just going in to take off the extra lace in front of the wig. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button to become a part of me and of this channel. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell